Hello students, today's video we will be talking about ozone layer and its importance in atmosphere, how it plays an important role present in stratosphere, it filters out UV radiations. So let us start with ozone in atmosphere. Okay, so you must know that if you see our earth and its surface, first layer that we have is troposphere. Then we have second layer stratosphere. There are other layers also, but we are not going to talk about that. We are focused primarily about ozone layer, how it protects us from ultraviolet radiations of sun. So this layer has a special molecule of ozone, and when the ultraviolet radiations are coming, ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun, they are absorbed by ozone layer and they protect us. So ozone advantages of ozone layer: in stratosphere. There is one advantage, that is ultraviolet radiations from the sun are absorbed by the ozone layer in stratosphere. So what advantage we have then? So it prevents skin cancer that people may have, or it also protects vegetation, because when ultraviolet radiations are exposed, or when exposure is given to the vegetation, then vegetation also suffers damage. So life would have been threatened if ozone would have not been there in the stratosphere. So now, but there is a problem if ozone would have been in troposphere. So disadvantage of ozone being present okay, if I modify the topic, if present in troposphere, if it is there in troposphere, we may have certain disadvantages, like it is a poisonous gas, like, and it has chlorine like smell. So it is not good that always thinking that ozone is very useful. So it damages, it can damage life of plants and animals. It will cause cancer, it will cause damage and even asphalt. Roads are constructed using asphalt, so such roads may also get damaged because of ozone molecules. They will degrade. Now, we will be talking about how ozone is formed in the atmosphere. Formation of ozone in the atmosphere. You should be clear with this that when oxygen molecule gets exposed to ultraviolet radiation, then they break up into nascent oxygen atoms. And this nascent oxygen atom will combine with oxygen molecule, then they will form ozone. So this O3 is called ozone. This is how it is formed. So you can understand that ozone is formed in presence of ultraviolet radiations. Means oxygen molecules, they break up into nascent oxygen with the help of ultraviolet radiations. But that same ultraviolet radiation is stopped by ozone. So the one which helped to produce ozone is stopped by the one which is produced here. Ozone was formed with the help of ultraviolet radiation. Now ozone will stop in the atmosphere. Therefore, prevention of or absorption of UV radiations takes place with the help of ozone. So this is a very funny thing that we have to understand. The thing which is produced is stopping the one which have to get born. Let's see how in recent years it has been observed that ozone layer in the stratosphere, basically in the region above the sky of Antarctica, hole has been detected in 1980s. To some extent there is much repair has been done because chemicals causing ozone, their use has been banned and they are not in much use, so we have that advantage. So okay, once you note down, then I will go ahead with this. Okay, depletion of ozone layer. So I told you that in 1980s, it was observed over the sky of Antarctica. Ozone hole was detected, and this diagram is showing the sky of Antarctica. Ozone hole could be detected. When chemical analysis was done, then they found that chlorofluorocarbons, that is the main ozone depleting substance. Along with that, there are some others also like nitric oxide or nitrogen dioxide. So these are some of the ozone depleting substances. Chemical reactions, we need to understand how they cause damage to the environment. So let us see that how chlorofluorocarbon, so CFC, in short we can say CFCs, they cause ozone depletion as chain reaction. So let us see how it happens. First CF2Cl2, that is chlorofluorocarbon. When it comes in contact with ultraviolet radiations, then it dissociates as CF2Cl and free radical. This is free radical of chlorine is obtained. This free radical of chlorine attacks ozone molecule, forms chlorine monoxide and oxygen. This chlorine monoxide combines with nascent oxygen and then again it is free, and so this will continue, means we can say that this is ready to attack another ozone molecule, and this goes on, and therefore it is called chain reaction, because it will continue to occur. Here there are some other compounds which may cause depletion of ozone. Quickly, let me tell you about that. Nitric oxide. This is we call from plain fuels. Means these are used in fighter jets or aeroplanes. They release nitric oxide, and this nitric oxide also combines with ozone and forms nitrogen dioxide and oxygen. This is how they cause depletion. So I hope you understood. And here another nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide also depletes and forms nitrogen trioxide and oxygen gas. So this is how the depletion of ozone takes place by three chemical compounds. One is chlorofluorocarbon, second one is nitric oxide, third one is nitrogen dioxides. They cause damage. Now we will be understanding how ozone depletion to some extent can be controlled, means how we can remove the free radical from the regions where this ozone depletion has occurred. So scavenging free radical of chlorine. For that, what are the chemicals or how the reaction proceeds, that part. So even nitrogen dioxide can control this. So we have the reaction here, that is chlorine monoxide will combine with nitrogen dioxide, and we will have a compound which will control the depletion. Now, chlorine gas or the free radical can even combine with methane, and it will release methyl gas and hydrochloric acid. So you can understand that this compound, chlorine monoxide and free radical of chlorine, can be locked. is this means nitrogen dioxide and methane can remove ClO and Cl and prevent ozone depletion. So, to much extent, these compounds which cause ozone depletion, like free radicals of chlorine and chlorine monoxide, has been removed from the sky of Antarctica. So the hole has been repaired to much an extent, but I tell you, we should avoid using chlorofluorocarbons. आप लोग यूज करते हैं एरोसोल्स, रूम फ्रेशनर्स, ये सब में पहले क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स हुआ करता था, और ये जब एटमॉस्फेयर में जाएगा तो डैमेज करेगा ओजोन लेयर को, डैमेज करेगा हमारे लाइफ को. देयरफॉर वी हैव टू स्टॉप using chlorofluorocarbons or any such ozone depleting substances. So I hope that it is clear to you the chemistry of ozone layer, ozone formation, importance of ozone for our life on Earth, and how depletion occurs, how we can prevent it. So thank you for watching this short video about ozone. I hope it is useful. Thank you so much.